How to buy Worldcoin in Binance. For that, you need to first of all launch your Binance mobile application, and here use the search bar in the top and search for Worldcoin. Now once you type Worldcoin in the search bar, it will show you the Worldcoin pairs. So you just have to simply tap on WLD/USDT pair if you want to use USDT in order to purchase WLD coin. Now once you do this, you need to tap on the buy option in the bottom, and then you will be landed on this buy page. Over here you can set the limit order, and you can even use any of these, but I would recommend you to go with the limit order. Then we have the price section where you can increase and decrease the price as per your convenience. So you can set the price. After that, you need to enter the amount of WLD coin that you want to purchase, and it will show you the equivalent amount of money that you need to pay. Afterwards, tap on the buy WLD option, and then your order will be placed and it will be in the open orders section. Now once the price of WLD coin comes at the price that you set for purchasing, your order will be filled and you will get your WLD coin in your account. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.